We have discussed in the previous lessons the digital signal and analog signal differences and number systems. There are four number systems we have discussed: binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. These are the number systems we have discussed, and we have converted one number system into another number system. And also we have discussed two's complement and one's complement and two's complements, and by utilizing them, subtraction with the help of one's complement, subtraction with the help of two's complement, we have discussed. Today's lesson objective is weighted codes, unweighted codes, and the comparison of weighted and unweighted codes, and conversion of weighted codes 8421 into x's by 3 and gray code to binary and vice versa. Conversion also we will discuss. Alphanumeric codes and parity bit. Okay, I would like to ask you, what is the value of the 6 in 657? It is 600. What is the value of 6 in 567? It is 60. What is the value of 6 in 576? Because it is in units place, it is 6 only. What are the advantages of two's complement? It is easy to build a logic circuit that produces two's complement. The output is negative of the input and leads to simple arithmetic circuits that can be add and subtract. That means adder can be used as subtractor also. The circuit can be used as dual functional circuit. Now let us see binary codes. And we know that binary codes. Digital systems operate on binary language only. Digital systems such as computers, mobiles, calculators, and all these types such gadgets, electronic digital gadgets, operate and understand only binary language. So because the digital systems understand binary language and we understand our natural languages, decimal numbers, and alphanumeric alphabets and special characters, and it is the known information for us, special characters and decimal numbers and alphabets. It is our language, but the machine language is different. The machine is digital system. So they understand only binary language. Hence, it is inevitable for us to convert the known information of us into machine language. So converting this known information message signal into machine codes is called coding. It is called coding. So in the process of coding, we convert numerals, alphabets, and special characters into binary format so that they can be understood by the digital systems and can be processed by them. Combination of binary digits, bits, that is streams of bits, is called digital codes. Okay. Now we have two types of codes available: weighted codes, that is 8421, which is also called as BCD code, 8421 code, okay, and the octal hexadecimal. With the help of this code you can write these systems. Next, unweighted codes. Each position of the bit is not assigned any specific weight. Example, XS by 3 and gray code. These two are unweighted codes. Let us compare weighted and unweighted codes. Each position of the bit represents a specific weight. That means each bit has its own weight in the weighted code. In the unweighted code, there is no such weight. Example, 8421 octal hexadecimal. These are the weighted codes. Unweighted code, XS by 3 and gray code. Useful in digital circuits and like digital calculators, digital voltmeters and digital systems. These codes are weighted codes are useful. In unweighted codes, useful in digital computers and shift position encoders. BCD code. In this code, decimal digits 0 to 9 are represented by binary equivalents. For example, 23 is represented as 0010 because 2 is 0010. 3 means 0011. Here, this is called 8421 weighted code. It is called 8421 weighted code. For example, here if you 8 4 2 1, that means if you apply these weights, so in this number 8421 means only 1 is available in the second position which has the weight 2. Hence 8421 means 8th position, 8th weight position is 0, 4th weight position is 0, only weight 2 position has 1 and hence it is only 2. So that is the way you have to write. For 2 means 0010. For 3 means 2 plus 1 0011. These two positions are 1 ones. Hence 2 plus 1, this 2 plus 1 is 3. Hence 2 3 is represented as 8-bit number, 8-bit BCD code. Okay, now I already told you that BCD codes are from 0 to 9 only, 0 to 9. So from 0 means it is 0000, 1 means 0001, 2 0010, 3 0011, 4 0100, 5 0101, 6 0110 70111 81000 91001. So these are the BCD codes from 0 to 9. What is the BCD code for 10? Can anyone tell? Okay. BCD code for 10 is what is the BCD code for 10? Decimal 10. You have to write each digit 4-bit BCD code. For each digit 4-bit BCD code. 1 means 0 0 0 1, and 0 means 0 0 0 0, like this. After 9, 10. 10 means you should not write binary number 1010. It is BCD code, 8421 code. It has codes from 0 to 9 only. That's all. Hence you have to write this is the BCD code. BCD code. You have to write clearly. BCD code. This is the decimal number 10. Decimal number 10. It is the BCD code. Previously we have seen 23. For 23 we have written. Okay, similar. That is a way of writing BCD codes for decimal numbers. Conversion of binary code to 8421 code. Conversion of binary code to 8421 code. You see, binary numbers are there. I already assigned you to write from 0 to 100 decimal numbers and all the equivalent numbers of other systems, binary, octal, hexadecimal. So whenever you have the binary number, how to convert that binary number to 8421 code? That let us see. How to do that? The procedure is first convert that binary number into decimal number. Then from decimal you convert that into BCD code by taking each digit of the decimal number and equivalent BCD code you have to write. That is the procedure. Let us see one example. For example, this is the binary code, binary number. This is equivalent to 396 decimal number. How? Just you go on for easy understanding of converting binary. I told you already, expand this binary in terms of its radix. Expand this binary number into its radix. That means how to write? This is a 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8. That means 1 into 2 power 8 plus 1 into 2 power 7 plus 2 power 0 into 2 power 6. It will become 0. This is 2 power 6. 2 power 5 also 0, 2 power 4 also 0, 2 power 3 you have 1 into 2 power 3. And next plus 1 into 2 power 2. Next 2 power 1 and 2 power 0 positions also zeros. So you need not write. By simplification of this, you will get 396 decimal number. Okay. So first that means you have converted binary number into decimal number. You got 396. There are 3 digits, and for each digit you have to write its equivalent value of BCD code 8421 code. Take 3. Write 0011. Take 9. For 9, what is the BCD code? 1001. For 6, 0110. 0110. So this is the equivalent code for 396. That means this binary number is equivalent to decimal this number and its equivalent BCD code. So this is the way of converting binary to BCD 8421 code. Next, conversion of 8421 code to binary code. How to do that? Let us see the example. Let us consider 0010, 0111. This is the BCD code. Want to convert binary code. How to do that? First convert that into decimal. Once the decimal is available, convert the decimal number into binary by successive division with 2. So here it is equivalent to, you see, 0010, it is 2, 0111, it is 7, hence 27, okay. Now this 27 must be converted into binary code. How to do that? By successive division by 2, like this. Take 27, divide with 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. Remainder is 1. 2 6 are 12. Remainder is 1. 2 threes are 6. Remainder is 0. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 1. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. And by writing from bottom to top all the remainders, you will get the values 111011. This is the value you got. So convert in this. We first take the BCD code, then write equivalent value of decimal number by making groups of 4 bits, and convert that decimal number into binary code by successive division of with the radix 2 until you get the quotient 0, and take all the remainders from bottom to top and write down, then finally you will get the value of binary codes. Okay. That means this is the BCD code, decimal number, and finally you have the binary number. That means binary number size is compact and BCD size is large. Next, excess by 3 code. It is a 4-bit code. 3 is added to each decimal digit, then convert the sum to BCD number. BCD can be converted to binary as in the previous example. This is the way of converting excess by 3 code. That means from BCD to excess by 3. Let us take for example a binary number. I want to convert 11002 to excess by 3 code. How to do that? First, that must be written into decimal. What is the decimal value of 1100? It is 12. Then you add 3 to each digit of decimal number, and you will get one number. To that number you write a BCD code. Then you will get the excess by 3 code. Like this. For each digit of 12, you are adding plus 3 and you got 45. This 45 you have to write equivalent value of binary BCD code, not binary, BCD code. Okay, each digit you have to take, that is 4 you have to take, and to that 4, what is the equivalent value of the BCD? 0100. For the 5 it is 0101. So you can easily write. Okay, so that means 1100 binary number is equivalent to the 12 of decimal number, and which is equivalent to 01000101 is the BCD excess by 3 code. It is the excess by 3 code. Now let us discuss gray code. In this code, two adjacent numbers differ in only 1 bit, hence called as unit distance code. It has same bit length and MSB as binary number. For example, let us consider 1001 binary. I want to write that into gray code. Take the MSB as it is. And add MSB, first MSB with adjacent bit, and you write down the sum, neglect the carry. Write down the sum and neglect the carry. Okay, that means 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Next, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So I would like to tell with a clear writing. You observe 1 0 0 1. You write 1 as it is, MSB as it is 1, and 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And now take next adjacent bits. These two are the next adjacent bits. Add these two. 0 plus 0. Sum is 0, carry is 0. If the carry is generated, you have to neglect, that's all. 0 plus 0. It is 0. It is 0. And next two adjacent bits are added. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. It is 1. It is 1. That's all. That means 1001. 1001. This binary number is 1001 binary number is equivalent to 1101 excess by 3. Excess by 3 code. This is the excess by 3 code. Okay. So this is the way of converting binary to excess by 3 code. Gray code, sorry. Binary to gray code. Sorry. Binary to gray. So this is the gray number. Gray. This is the gray number. This is the 1001 is the binary number. This is the gray number. Continue the same process till all the binary digits are added. Okay, that we have done. To convert gray code 1110 number to binary code, first write the MSB as it is. MSB as it is. Both the MSBs must be same. And next you have to add in a diagonal bits. Diagonal bits you have to consider. What are the diagonal bits? Here 1, here 1. These two bits must be added. Sum you have to write here and neglect the carry. So 1 plus 1, it is 1 0. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. This is the sum you have to consider. You have to discard this carry, hence 0. Next diagonal bits you observe 0 and 1. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. It is 1. Sum is 1. Carry is 0. Next diagonal bits 1 plus 0. It is 1. So this is the gray number. This is the binary number. So this is the way of converting gray number into binary codes. Okay, now let us see alphanumeric codes. Alphanumeric means alphabets and numbers and special characters also. Decimal digits 0 to 9 and alphabets uppercase A to Z, lowercase a to Z, and special characters at dollar, ash, percent, like that. And also commands that are used by computers to represent carriage returns line feeds, etc. That means enter key and delete key and some commands, and those also will be represented in alphanumeric codes. Okay, there are two types of alphanumeric codes available to us. One is ASCII code, another one is EBCDIC code. ASCII is the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. EBCDIC is the Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. So ASCII is the famous code which will be used in computers. ASCII has 7-bit code plus a parity bit or an extended bit. The MSB bit is used for parity and remaining 7 bits are used for coding. So ASCII can represent 128 symbols. Because it is a 7-bit code, means 2 power 7 symbols are possible. That means it can accommodate 128 symbols can be coded. This code is used by most of the computers in the world. EBCDIC code. This is also 8-bit code. This is used by some IBM computers. It represents 2 power 8 symbols. That means 256 symbols because it is 8-bit code. Parity bit. Digital information in binary form is transmitted from one system to another system. That means parity bit is essential because to identify, to detect the carry in the message and to remove that carry, we need a parity bit. So the code must include parity bit also during the transmission. So whenever data is transmitted from one computer to another computer, or in the network, if it is transmitted from one device to another device, essentially parity bit is included, and additionally start stop bits also will be included. Okay, so that we can recognize, detect the error and eliminate the error. Error may occur, that is 0 may change to 1 or 1 may change to 0. That is possible in the transmission. Errors can be detected by adding one additional bit known as parity bit, as already I told you. Allows the detection of single error in transmission. Okay. Parity means number of ones in a digital data may be even or odd. That means by this we have two possible parity codes, that is even parity. We can adopt even parity or we can adopt odd parity. If the even parity is adopted, we have to make sure that the message signal must be having even number of ones including parity. We have to add parity bit such that the total message code including parity must be, the number of ones must be even. If we adopt odd parity, the message signal must have odd number of ones to make it odd parity. That means we must add parity, odd parity bit such that the number of ones of the message signal including the parity must be odd. Okay. ASCII code is a 7-bit code. For example, ASCII code for C is 10000011. This is the ASCII code for C. There are 3 ones in this, isn't it? 3 number of ones are 3. Add extra bit as MSB. The total number of ones is odd and extra bit is added 0 called as odd parity. The total number of ones is even if extra bit is added is 1 and called as even parity. For example, let us take this code and add parity bit. One, zero, 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 one. For example, this is the message signal. I want to add parity bit in the MSB position such that it will be odd. For example, let us take first even. That means parity bit that I add is 1. So this is the total message signal including parity bit. After adding parity bit 1, how many numbers are there? Even number of ones. How the even numbers are available? Even number of ones we have got by adding 1. So that this is the even parity method. Even parity method. That means we adopted even parity. For example, let us take the same code and adopt odd parity. The message signal here is, once again I write 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. And in the MSB position here, I will add parity bit such that the number of ones must be odd. When it is possible? By adding 0 only it is possible. That means I added 0 to the message signal and I made the total message signal 8-bit message signal adopting odd parity. So this is the procedure adding parity bits to the message signal and adopting even parity and odd parity. So like this, parity bit 0 is added for odd parity. For even parity it is 1 is added. So now in this, what we have discussed? We have discussed about weighted and unweighted codes. What are the weighted codes? 8421 code is there and 2421 code is there, 5411 code is there. Those codes are not discussed but available, but widely used code mostly is 8421 code that we have elaborately discussed. And unweighted codes we have discussed. What are the unweighted codes we have discussed? access by 3 code and gray code. So how do we get access by 3 code? Just adding 3 to the each decimal digit, and by that converting that into BCD code, then we will get access by 3 code. Okay, and gray code, for converting binary to gray, you have to add adjacent bits, and MSB bits you have to take as it is and add adjacent bits to get the value of a gray code. From gray to binary, how to do that? From gray to binary, you have to first MSBs you write as it is. Diagonal, if you observe diagonal, add the diagonal bits and write down the sum bits. Like this you have to convert. So this is the weighted and unweighted codes we have discussed, and the conversions also we have discussed, and differences between weighted codes and unweighted codes. What are the differences? Weighted codes has positional weights. Unweighted codes, they do not have positional codes. What are the examples? Weighted codes 8421, unweighted is access by 3 and gray codes. Those are the codes. Okay. Conversion of 8421 and alphanumeric codes. Alphanumeric codes also we have discussed. ASCII code and EBCDIC code. And ASCII code is a 7-bit code, and when parity bit is added, it will become 8-bit code, and it can accommodate 2 power 7 symbol 128 symbols. It can accommodate alphabets, numbers, special characters. And EBCDIC code is 8-bit code. It can accommodate 2 power 8 symbols, that is 256 symbols it can accommodate. Not only alphanumeric and special characters, commands also will be included in this. And we have discussed the parity bit. Parity bit, there are two types of parity schemes available: even parity scheme and odd parity scheme. To the message signal, you will add a parity bit such that to make the total message as even, then it is called even parity scheme. And if you add a parity bit such that the total message signal having odd number of ones, then it is the scheme odd parity scheme. So these are the parity schemes, and with the help of this parity scheme, whenever the transmission is done between two digital systems, computers or digital devices, then we can detect errors and we can eliminate the errors. Error detection and correction. Error detection and correction is possible with parity bit. With the parity bit. So with this we have elaborately discussed these things. Now let us the code used for 9 in BCD. What is the code for 9? 1001. What are the example of unweighted code? excess by 3 quart. What is the example of weighted code? Weighted code, BCD code. These are the possible questions you can record and try to solve these questions. Convert gray code number 1110 to its BCD equivalent. Total 5 questions. You can. Thank you.